So we just got the new iPhone 13 Pro Max, which ran us $1,099, and one noticeable feature is the size and weight. The iPhone 13 Pro Max is 6.32 by 3 inches and 200 grams, or 7.19 ounces, which is 20% heavier than the iPhone 12 Pro. At the back of the phone, there is this enormous bump. This bump is there because it has to include a large sensor that allows more light to pass, so you'll get stunning photos every time. There are 3 cameras. This one is the wide lens, this one's the ultra-wide lens, and this is a telephoto lens. The phone has 3 buttons and a switch. This is the power button, and these being the volume control, which gets very loud with surround sound. The 6-inch Super Retina XDR display has bright, vibrant colors with a 120Hz screen for super smooth swiping, scrolling, and app animations. The screen has 1,050 nits of light, so nothing is ever dark, and it even has the power to prevent sun glare. The screen's aspect ratio is 19.5 by 9, and the screen resolution is 2778 by 1284, and it has all of this while still conserving energy. And what helps drive the screen is the powerful A15 Bionic chip. This chip is the fastest smartphone chip. It supports the 120Hz screen and helps display every small detail on the screen. It also has 50% faster CPUs than other phones and 30% faster graphics. It can optimize battery life, help secure the phone and privacy, and make gaming way faster. And now that the world's quickly moving to 5G, Apple is now including onto their phones too. 5G can easily run games, download movies in seconds, share AR videos, and do way more. What shocked me most was the insane battery life on this. On a full charge, the iPhone 13 Pro Max can go for 80 hours of audio playback, 20 hours of video playback, and 25 hours of streaming, thanks to the 4037 mAh battery. And with a 20-watt charger, it only takes 30 minutes to fully charge it, and if that's just not enough, you can add the Apple MagSafe, adding 40% more hours onto your phone. But you could have not gone over an Apple product without going over its cameras. Apple included a larger sensor that allows more light to pass through, which mainly improves the main wide-angle camera. The telephoto lens can zoom 15 times optical zoom. For comparison, the iPhone 12 Pro only had 2 times zoom. The ultra-wide camera has f/1.8 aperture for more light and even a macro feature which can capture macro shots on objects within a meter away with great detail. And one huge factor to brag about is the cinematic mode. So in simple terms, when you're recording a video, the iPhone can, quote, intelligently shift focus from a subject in the foreground to another in the background. And the only thing that the videographer has to do to control it is just tap. But most shockingly, you can also edit the focus after shot, so if there was any accidental blurs, you can still get rid of them without recording again. This phone is rated IP68 for water, splash, and dust resistance, which means that it's fully sealed from top to bottom and can be submerged 6 meters underwater for 30 minutes, although don't take our word for it. And with all that, we present to you a cinematic B-roll video shot by the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Go subscribe to the Film Friendlies team for editing, voicing, and scripting this video, and also go subscribe to It's Tom for doing that amazing B-roll clip. And that concludes our video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if there's anything that I missed, please comment below. Please like and subscribe as it will be greatly appreciated.